In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup emails in Zoho Mail. If your emails are currently being bundled together into conversation threads, and you'd rather see each message separately, Zoho Mail gives you a simple setting to change that. This is useful if you want a clearer view of individual emails, especially when you're working through messages one by one and don't want replies grouped into a single conversation. To get started, open your Zoho Mail account. Make sure you're fully logged in and looking at your mailbox before moving on. Once you're inside the main mail interface, take a moment to let everything load so the settings menu is easy to access. Next, click Settings. In Zoho Mail, this is where you can control how your inbox looks and behaves. If you don't immediately see it, look for the Settings icon in the interface. Opening this area will give you access to a range of customization options for your mail experience. After that, click Conversation. This section manages the conversation view, which is the feature that groups related emails together into a thread. When this setting is turned on, emails with the same subject line or part of the same exchange may appear as one grouped conversation instead of separate messages. Once you're in the conversation settings, find the option called Enable Conversation View. To ungroup your emails, simply uncheck that option. As soon as this setting is disabled, Zoho Mail will stop combining related messages into threaded conversations, and your emails will appear individually in your inbox. This can make it much easier to scan messages in chronological order and quickly spot separate replies or forwarded emails without opening a full thread. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your inbox, especially if you prefer a more traditional email layout. If the change doesn't seem immediate, give the page a moment to refresh or return to your inbox to confirm that the messages are now displayed separately. In most cases, the update takes effect right away, and that's all you need to do to ungroup emails in Zoho Mail. Open your account, go to Settings, select Conversation, and uncheck Enable Conversation View. Once that's done, your inbox will show each email as its own separate message.